Okay, so where are we going?
We're going to Battlefield. There's gonna be a lot of people out there because we're gonna use Nerf.
So what is Battlefield again?
Yeah, Battlefield is about we have guns and we have to shoot other people.
So you're going to use Nerf guns,
Yeah,
and they have some obstacle course there.
yeah. So there's some like shields that you can block, go under with, and you can go, and also you can go behind it.
Okay. So what guns do you have? Show me your guns.
I got
Your Nerf guns.
I got the X shots, and also the Spider-Man, and also the Spider-Man crossbow.
Okay. How about you, Clark? So,
I got the 5 striker, and that's the laser detector.
show me. Oh, it has a laser pointer. So is that for more accurate shots? Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah,
Do you have other Nerf guns?
yeah.
You
Follow
do?
me. I can show you more Nerf guns.
Okay. So these are all your Nerf guns. Can you show me one by one? So what's that?
And the shotgun. This is what Clea has.
So you also using that?
This is what he has. This is what I know. We have a mirror called a mirror.
Okay, what else?
And also, it's called a Shoulder Fire.
Surge fire.
Surge Fire.
How many rounds did that give you?
A lot.
Oh, that's a lot. Who's going to use that then?
Wait, we have what you use.
So are you bringing all of those Nerf guns? Huh? Because they said that you can use your own guns and they're going to give you the bullets. We're currently packing our stuff. That's why everything's here in the garage.
Yeah, right. Because we're going to a new house.
We're preparing to move. How about that? Are you going to bring that? What is that?
It's called. It's called.
Show me.
Their middle. Then
It's a thermal.
turbo.
I think you should use the ones that gives you a lot of rounds, multiple bullets. You think that's good?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 rounds?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
You got your guns?
Yep.
Is that fine? Don't you want 2 guns? What? No.
Let's go. So, and also the castle.
So you ready?
Yeah.
Hi, handsome. Look at that.
Wait. Wait. Mine is light brown.
The hair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine is black. No, it's black. This one's black, but that's light brown.
So show your guns. You ready for that? Which is stronger?
Well, this has more pressure on the bullets.
Right.
And it goes longer. But mine, it has more bullet storage.
You have more rounds, right?
So I think that's stronger. Let's go!
Well, Connor, where are we going?
Then why mine is stronger? Because look.
Cool.
Bye, house!
see, can I see your guns? Is it on? Is your gun on? What? Good. Look, look. Is yours on? Get some more bullets, look. Fire, Connor.
Turn in your guns. You guys are going to go eat. We just need your gun. You guys can keep your glasses and jersey after you eat. We will come back and play. 3,
It's okay. It's part of it. Is your gun working? Fill it up. Go!